So you learned about evaporation today?
Yes, and I also learned about precipitation, condensation, and collection.
Okay.
So basically, okay, so say that my hands are a lake, and so the lake, and it's a very sunny day, very, very hot.
It's a small lake.
I know, it's just an example.
Okay.
Okay, and then the water starts to evaporate, and then they collect up into the clouds, and then the water droplets get so heavy and big that then they either come out as sleet, hail, snow, or rain.
Hey, what's your language?
What do you mean?
You said hail.
As in ice falling from the sky?
Gotcha. Sorry, my bad.
Hail.
Sorry. Yes, bad. Sorry.
H-A-I-L.
Yes.
Now, it can either come out in those 4 things, and then it comes down, and then when it's done, everything is like, it is back in the lake again, and then the whole cycle starts over again.
But how does a lake as big as your hand, how does that make rain around the world?
Guess what? Did you know that, say that a lake's over here in North America. A lake over here in North America.
Yeah.
It can collect up into clouds, and it could probably move to another continent, and then it can rain. It's like, so
water in Europe, water that evaporates in Europe could rain over here?
Yes.
We could get their water?
Yes. Daddy, okay, so listen to me. So, every time, even though people think that the rain coming down is different water from everything else, all of the rain that comes down and the water that goes back into the clouds and then comes down in rain, it's the same water.
It's the same water?
Yes. So say there's this lake. Goes up
as big as your hands.
Yes. It's an example.
Okay.
Here's the lake. Goes up into the clouds and then it rains down again. Goes up into the clouds, rains down again, goes up into the clouds, rains down again. It's the same water over and over again. We're using the same water, so water is a reusable resource.
Wow, that's awesome.
But you know what isn't a reusable resource?
What?
A non-reusable resource is fossil oil or fossil fuel.
Because oil doesn't evaporate and come back down.
No, Daddy, fossil fuel. I said fossil fuel.
Okay, fossil fuel doesn't evaporate.
You have to dig really deep down into the earth to get it. There's not much of it.
But if there was a pool of it, could it evaporate and come back down?
No, because it's not like Daddy, it's not like water. It can't just evaporate.
Okay.
That's why fossil fuel is very rare.
Water's not rare, but fossil fuel is.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.